how to make a quick and easy multiplication table. All you need is a piece of paper for this and a pencil. My paper has lines, but you could do this yourself with a ruler or just by being really careful. Making a multiplication table for yourself is a really fast way to double check your mental math while you're working, especially when you get into the 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. So I'm going to use this tape to hold my phone. But the first thing I'm going to do is write multiplication on the top, so I remember that it's for multiplication and not a hundreds chart. I recommend that you do this every single time that you need to take a test so that you have the answers right there ready for you and you don't have to count on your memory doing everything. You can double check to make sure that you get it right. The first thing you need to do is do 1 through 10 on both sides. And then to figure out how you fill in the multiplication table, you do each number times the other number on the left side. So the rows times the columns. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3. And I already know the pattern for the top, so I'll quickly fill it in. And then you proceed to the 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6. If I didn't know my 2's or if I'm stuck anywhere down later, it's just repeated addition. That's all multiplication is. So if I couldn't remember 2 times 4, I could just add 2 to the last number I have. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 2 times 4 is 8. 16, 18, 20. I already noticed another pattern over here, 10, 20. So I can fill it in this way and save myself some time. And I noticed a pattern over here, 1, 2. So it's going by ones that way. There's also a pattern here, 2, 4. That's a quick way to get yourself started and make it feel like you're not filling in so many boxes. Now I'm onto 3's. The 2's were super easy. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 8 is 24, 3 times 9 is 27. Now I'm going to go over to my 4's. 4, 8, 16, oops, I did that wrong. 4, 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, so it's 12 here. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. And that was the really easy way to fill in my 4's if I didn't even know how to multiply. Once you get really used to doing this, it will only take you 2 minutes tops, and then you can use it on a test. You could even do this once you get your STAR test. You can use a piece of scratch paper, make your own, and then you have an instant way to double check. Now for me, if I don't really know my 6's that well, I can do the same thing. I can just add 6. If I don't know 6 times 6, oh no, what can I do? I can just add 6 to 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. Plus 6, 42. Plus 6, 48. Plus 6, 54. Plus 6, 60. Now 7's. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 64, and 70. Now I'm on 8s, and this really hasn't taken that long. The timer on my phone says 4 minutes, but I've been explaining it. So if you weren't explaining, you could probably be done by now. If you don't have one of these at home to do for your homework, you need to make one. There's a multiplication table in your planner but if you get in the habit of making your own, you'll be able to do it faster. And then you could use this on every assessment you take. It's so easy. Let me show you, I'm gonna go back and show you this trick for the 9s. Do you notice when you have a 9, there's really an invisible 0 here because that's still a 9. Then it goes up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna keep going, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then my number here starts with 9 and then goes down, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's an easy way to fill up the 9s times tables also. And then we get down to 10s and that's super easy. Hopefully you know that, but if not, it's okay to write it down and just have a visual reminder for yourself to make sure that you're successful. Voila, super fast. That only took me 5 minutes.